Love, liebe, please tell me who you are. I see the people change days, town quarter. I got a bad temper, hope it's only for one day. I kiss my mama before I run away. I'm walking through the rain, I'm run on my way. I hear the voices coming from far away. Everything I used to matter, I do matter no more. I'll be stronger cause heroes don't shed tears. And if you leave me, I will remain like the sun. LANDSHUT, what up? LANDSHUT, what up? My name is DJ, a little bit. My name is Sosa Escobar. Ich bin einer von euch, ein Landshuter. Schon über 10 Jahre lebe ich in dieser Stadt. Ich komme aus Rwanda, so ganz kleines Land, aber mit so viel Idee, wissen Sie? Und heute werden wir so Hip-Hop, Afrobeat und moderne Musik machen. Und ich hoffe, es wird sehr, sehr, sehr schön sein. Ich habe mir ausgesucht, erstes Lied habe ich gedacht, weil wir so viel Kriege auf dieser Welt haben, weil wir so viele Dinge sehen, in denen wir keine Chance haben, etwas zu ändern. Wir können das nicht ändern, wir können das sehen, aber als Musiker, wir können so vielleicht einen Text schreiben oder verfassen. DJ. Immer ein bisschen lauter. Ja, ja, ja. Warum gibt es so viele Kriege? Warum? Ich frage mich. Come on, yeah. I get on my knees and praise God every day to change the world and make people love each other. Global hunger, a lot of people hungry. They need the help, they need somebody. Riches got money, they got no compassion. They love themselves, they love their treasures. I shed tears when I think about it. Take a piece of paper and a pen and write about it. Hey, young one, no matter what it comes, you have to believe it that God's on your side. He loves you, forget what they say. Live your life, work hard, I know you will be a great man. He loves you, forget what they say. Live your life, work hard, I know you will be a great man. He loves you, forget what they say. Live your life, work hard, I know you will be a great man. We need the peace in the world. We need the peace in Africa. We need the peace in Europe. We need the peace in Asia. We need peace in America. South America also. There's a kid stuff in Gaza. People killed in Israel. Why are people fighting each other? I don't believe. Let's come together to stop these wars. Do not forget Ukraine. Do not forget everyone. Come on. Yeah. You gotta understand this world is an express. People killing, people dying, people getting hurt. Some cries for justice, some needs the freedom. You tryna talk about it, they say that you were funny. Back in days, they were heroes like Laura King, Malcolm X and Gandhi. And nowadays, we ain't got no one who can spend it like a man and speak the truth. G.O.D. Please send an angel to guide those homeless and pour through the hot times. I keep my hair up, I will never give up. If you care about the others, please put your hands up. I keep my hair up, I will never give up. If you care about the others, please put your hands up. I I keep my head up, I will never give up. If you care about the others, please put your hands up. We need the people. We need the people. We need the peace. We need the people. Why are there so many wars on this world? We are asking ourselves. It's enough. In Europe, in Africa, in Asia, in America, everywhere you go, there's a war. We don't need to fight, we need peace. It doesn't matter if you say mashallah or shalom. We are people. Yeah. Und LANDSHUT wird das machen. Ihr seid die Tormenschen. Wir schaffen das. Wir schaffen das zusammen. Save the planet, save the animals, save the people. Yeah. DJ, cut the music a little bit. I want to say something. Wait a little bit. Weil das Thema wird nicht so ganz global so geredet. Also wir sind hier, wir können was Gutes tun, nicht was Besseres. Okay, zweites Lied DJ, so dass wir feiern können. Aber Esco vamos repetir, okay. And nobody, yeah. Nibadi mani ni sosa urasi mirongo shine like a star mu repeat indikira ibyacu n'uburyohe iwacu ntidukina boys in the hood nenjewe bahanuye abangenda runono nabahaye gasopo ibyanjye ninjye ubizi. I do it for my daughter, I do it for my people, I do it for my country, I do it for the people that are left behind. Wabyina wabishaka, wabyanga wabishaka, ninjye mwami w'iri shyamba, ninjye ntare y'iri shyamba. I love you, man. I got all over you, man. Present. And nobody. So say I'm no. And nobody. Dream to be one day umusore ukunzwe utunze urufite nzabikora konti zanjye nzuzuza amafaranga tunywe imivinyo y'i Burayi twifunze ku birombe ni high life. We understand ibya night life kuko n'inkangu ziraza tukazibanga duhora turi kwaka nk'izuba twinjira mu birori bagacangwa abana ku mafoto bakanyonga tuba kuri byapa tukagana ishyamba. I love ya. Come on. Fire, papa, and nobody. Yeah. 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 And nobody. So sa esco vamos repetir, okay. DJ, play the next song so that we ain't got no main time. So play the next song. So we people, we always have dreams. You have to chase your dreams. And I want to say shalom to all the people who came up. You have to try to chase your dream. The time will tell. Come on, yeah. I have a dreams in my head and now I know I can turn them into reality. I gotta focus on my future, work hard and find a better way to live my life. I have a dreams in my head and now I know I can turn them into reality. I gotta focus on my future, work hard and find a better way to live my life. It's everybody's truth. Change the world, standing in a hall of fame, drive a nice car, rainbow, GT, live a good life. So clean, so fresh, so many hot chicks. Perhaps just fantasies, got a Hennessy in my room door. I can drink a fifth, I can get it high, I can live for the moment. It's my ambition to be a good rapper, making money, have a little family. I rise up like Donald Trump, I can see my life in the mirrors. I can make it happen whether you like or not, ain't I will trust. I can make it happen like Elon Musk in the God we trust. I can make it happen like Elon Musk in the God we trust. I have a dream in my head and now I know I can turn them into reality. I gotta focus on my future, work hard and find a better way to live my life. I have a dream in my head and now I know I can turn them into reality. I gotta focus on my future, work hard and find a better way to live my life. I saw my people dying on the street. I was a little boy and I had a dreams. I have a story to tell you when you feel all alone. I do it for love, I do it for love. I do my music even if it seems so hard. What you say? Like God in my life, you can never be like me. I have a dreams in my head and now I know I can turn them into reality. I gotta focus on my future, work hard and find a better way to live my life. I got a dream, I have a dream in my head and now I know I can turn them into reality. I gotta focus on my future, work hard and find a better way to live my life. I have a dream in my heart and now I know I can turn them into reality. I gotta focus on my future, work hard and find a better way to live my life. You know, we all have dreams like kids right here. All those kids have dreams. They want to grow up. They want to live their life. Shalom. DJ, can we do another song? Drill song. So then you play drill song. Put it up. Who can dance the drill song? Come on. Umfate nka Kylian Mbappe n'inkugero hujya ukuramo ikape. Abajama bishwe na swingi ubu nicyo gihe ngo tubacape. Batubona dukora ishiga inkangu turi kuzitera injuga. Tubayeho kimonopoli ibyacu byose ni pole pole. Turambiwe songo za kera ubu nicyo gihe ngo dukubure. Dukora imizigo babure n'ubundi bagotewe mu bagore. Bakunda boro, bakunda swingi, bakunda injyana za kera. Stepping in the past, never thought about the future. It's a shame what they say. Nimba ari ntambara turarwana gisamurayi gikamukazi inkondo zacu ziri ku mugongo. Babaye imondo bakudimiya ariko batinya gupeya. Bakunda gukora amadega nyamara nta n'umwe ufite lawyer. You will come back to me, I know. You broke my heart. Bro, do not break my heart, man. Do not come now. I know you broke my heart. What do you think? Buchana yandi, I wanna be like Ben Franklin. Ndatusha ndapoe sana, iyusha nabi nguha machobo. Wahuye n'uruva gusenya, baguha imyoto, baguha yobo. Murenga duhinguka, cause we know we are the future. Don't let me fall, God, you know I did good things. I made the people happy, never mad me cause I'm a future. Ndatusha nchiye bugufi, kurubu ngubu meze nganzofu. Ndatusha nchiye bugufi, kurubu ngubu meze nganzofu. I wasn't looking for an angel in a devil town. How can I be an angel surrounded by the devils? I wasn't looking for an angel in a devil house. How can I be an angel surrounded by the devils? So come back to me, you know? You broke my heart, bro. You broke my heart. Sometimes I think that it's already time to tell you that you broke my heart, bro. Yeah, but I'm good, man. I'm good, man. Got the music, DJ. Soll mal weitermachen? Mama weiter! Cool! DJ. Next song.
Little mama, come on, make you mine. We gonna sing it, Nana. I will let you go. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Little mama, come on, make you mine. We gonna sing it, Nana. I will let you go.
This a pretty girl changed in my life. Every time I like the way she moves. She's in my Beyonce, she's in my Beyonce. She little knows how to straight black man. She got a pretty face, she got a nice ass. I swear to God, she's gonna be my number one. I keep in the war, I keep in the war, I keep in the war, keep in the war. Every day I see her lose my defenses. Every day I see her losing my defenses, baby. You know what I'm saying.
Little mama, come on, make you mine. We gonna sing it, Nana. I will let you go. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Little mama, come on, make you mine. We gonna sing it, Nana. I will let you go. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Little mama, come on, make you mine. We gonna sing it, Nana. I will let you go.
Little mama, come to Papa. I will cover you like a sleeping child. You and I, we are meant to shine as against the world. We chill in the park every night. Sure, I wanna burn something every day. You my number one, you drive me crazy. Come closer, stay longer. You will never cry again. You will never be alone. Just hold in my hand. Let's enjoy the life.
Little mama, come on, make you mine. We gonna sing it, Nana. I will let you go. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Little mama, come on, make you mine. We gonna sing it, Nana. I will let you go. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Little mama, come on, make you mine. We gonna sing it, Nana. I will let you go. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Little mama, come on, make you mine. We gonna sing it, Nana. I will let you go. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, the real mama in the house. Yeah. Thank you very much. You are seeing all the kids over here. This is the future of LANDSHUT. DJ, do we have to do next music? Thank you very much. Tell me if I lose everything I have. Tell me if I lose everything I have. If I ain't got nothing, will you stay? Tell me if I lose everything I have. I know.
Sina mafaranga, inshuti zose zaragiye. Ijwi ryanjye ryaragiye.
If I lose everything I have, tell him. Tell him. Tell him. I cross my eyes, I visualize the presses. I can't fall asleep because I still see my past. My friends stand to me, who do I trust more? I swear to God, this life is... Zero homicide, see the death around the corner. Then I got caught, I feeling like life is over. All hope is gone, love is fading away. Remember how we used to be before you got away. Of course I drink too much because I was born this way. This life don't last forever, don't cry when I'm gone. Vanitas and all the shit I've been through. Bitches, nightlife. Tequila, sunlight, it just make me crazy when I think about the man I spend. I try to be someone, it goes shake knees in front of me. I was very younger, and now I know the game. Forget the gangster spot, no more dope games. Umusi na mafaranga. Yamano, nagari hano. Jaraji, yeah. I tell him. Tell him. Tell him. Next song, bro. Hey. Yeah. Wir machen weiter. Umva homeboy, wowe twakuranye, wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato. Wigira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo, nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga. Umva homeboy, wowe twakuranye, wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato. Wigira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo, nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga. Ibuka kera ubwo twari bato, tugikina biye wari dumu zitaraza. King James agitika kivugiza, ntago yarazi kazaba umusitari. God damn it, in fact twari inkubaganye the other side, twari abana baziraga umugayo. Bifu na mwarimu bitaga Kiromba, yaducaga amazi inshuro nyinshi ibivume. Twaje gukura dukura n'umurava, inama z'ababyeyi zatumye dukunda gucika. Twubaha abakura bato nabo tungana, biza kutuviramo a very big success. Umva homeboy, wowe twakuranye, wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato. Wigira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo, nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga. Umva homeboy, wowe twakuranye, wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato. Wigira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo, nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga. Umva homeboy, wowe twakuranye, wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato. Wigira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo, nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga. Twaje kumenya icyo bita life secret, tuva mu byaha tw'Imana twisomera Bible. Twakwamiraga geta benshi barakubiswe, twiyumvira dance message na life goes on. Burungo kumisubi nkangu zara poverty, twakoraga rap endeka bakavivura. Ariko kuri radio batugaraguje agati, twabahaye songo nyinshi bazitupa mondis. Baturya runono turakomanyirizwa, biyibagiza ko uyu munsi ari barikaje ari njyewe. Akatari amagara nzagakura ku isoko, ndacyariho nk'izuba sosa, never give up. Umva homeboy, wowe twakuranye, wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato. Wigira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo, nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga. Umva homeboy, wowe twakuranye, wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato. Wigira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo, nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga. Umva homeboy, wowe twakuranye, wowe twirukanganye imihanda Come on. All the kids gotta have some fun. Come on, yeah, yeah,
umva homboyi wowe twakuranye wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato kugira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga umva homboyi wowe twakuranye wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato kugira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga umva homboyi wowe twakuranye wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato kugira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga umva homboyi wowe twakuranye wowe twirukanganye imihanda tukiri bato kugira intimba ndabizi uzaba umugabo nyumva jye nkubitse ibanga mbere yuko ntanga
Bobo Pro. DJ, stop. Sosa. 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 Sosa.
Sosa. Sosa.
Können wir weitermachen? Können wir weitermachen? DJ, next song.
sinzi niba ujya unyibuka sinzi niba ujya untekereza oya ntaho nagiye
Come on. Ntega amatwi mwana wa mama wibutse ku bihe bya kera kejiyeri iwacu biryoshye ubuzima ari bwiza dutuje twabaga twifunze ku cyangwe dusokana n'inkangu zishinzi zinywa amafege menshi n'inyanga zagwira ifungo zikadukwepa murere ry'akabari batuzi inkangu z'ubufu zose twarakubuye ku mabigi tawuni twifunze twateretaga abana b'abakonyine
sinzi niba ujya unyibuka sinzi niba ujya untekereza oya naho nagiye buri gihe nanjye ndagutekereza sinzi niba ujya unyibuka sinzi niba ujya untekereza oya naho nagiye buri gihe nanjye ndagutekereza
twabajama twari kwitara kejiyeri ifungo ryarabuze tugana inzira zo mu birombe duhiga inota abandi bakwami town 2009 nibwo naje ntegerejwe cyane nka Jesus ka nasagarike liki F2K muhimirongo maze nabankorera beat twahanuye byinshi kuhazaza twavugiye imfubyi abakene n'indaya nyamara benshi banze impanuro ngo hip hop ni ibirara
sinzi niba ujya unyibuka sinzi niba ujya untekereza oya naho nagiye
DJ, how many songs are still gone?
ndagutekereza sinzi niba ujya unyibuka sinzi niba ujya untekereza oya naho nagiye buri gihe nanjye ndagutekereza
Leute, DJ stop. DJ stop. Wir haben letztes Lied. Das machen wir auch. Wir haben letztes Lied, so wie ich sehe, Sie haben gesagt, wir haben nur noch ein Lied. Aber das Lied wird sehr schön sein und ich möchte, dass alle mittanzen. Das ist ein Tanzlied und alle müssen mittanzen, bitte. Denn es gibt kein Morgen. Ihr müsst weiter feiern. DJ, play the last song and I'm gonna say goodbye to you. The last song. Come on, yeah.
make it love, love. We belong together. Let's have some fun, cause there's no tomorrow.
Whatever.
You and I, we were meant to be. Oh baby, I know you are my Savaiwa. You and I, we were meant to be. Oh baby, I know you are my Savaiwa. You and I, we were meant to be. Oh baby, I know you are my Savaiwa. What do you see every time you see me? I wanna do you like the way you do me. We do it for real, we don't give a damn. They talk too much, they ain't gonna stop. My love is yours, your love is mine. We keep it moving, cause we are stronger. We make it love, love, we belong together. Let's have some fun, cause there's no tomorrow. You and I, we were meant to be. Oh baby, I know you are my Savaiwa. You and I, we were meant to be. Oh baby, I know you are my Savaiwa. You and I, we were meant to be. Oh baby, I know you are my Savaiwa. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun.
Was soll ich sagen? Okay, okay. Sing, Bruder, sing, Bruder. Okay, okay. Komm, Bro, sing, sag
Was
mal.
soll ich sagen?
Ja, ich weiß.
Okay, okay.
Sag ein Dankeschön für die,
Okay, Dankeschön, dass ihr alle...
alle zugehört habt.
Und noch ein... Heu... Ich heiße Abraham und...
Ich heiße Gottes Willen, danke, dass
Und
du...
ich
Ich
bin-
heiße Florian.
Ich heiße Aisha! Ich heiße Aisha!
What the fuck?
Ich heiße Aisha! You bitch! Was du?
Wait. Thank you very much. Nicht für mich, für diese Leute hier. Sie verdienen Applaus, diese Leute hier. Die haben die ganze Zeit mitgemacht. Und ich finde das schön, wenn die Kinder auch Spaß haben. Nicht nur Erwachsene, sondern auch Kinder. Und irgendwann mal auch, nächstes Jahr werden wir uns sehen. Und Kinder, ich danke euch nochmal. Ihr habt es sehr gut gemacht. So. Ihr seid zu 100%, ich bin 0%. Aber zusammen können wir etwas machen. Dankeschön, Landshut.